like to take a vote. Raise your hand if you'd like to talk about the benefits of AI. Okay, and raise your hand if you want to talk about the risks. Fascinating. I mean, absolutely pointless because I've made the slides already, but still really interesting. Now, as an optimist, what I'd like to talk about today and explore with you is, will AI kill us all? And what is AI anyway? It's complicated, it's hard to even know because it means so many different things. However, when people say AI today, in this crazy world, they usually mean neural networks, deep learning, which is just big neural networks, and large language models, which is big neural networks applied to autocomplete, so predicting the next word in a sentence. So how does AI autocomplete work? Well, we've got a prediction calculator, and we put in a phrase, and we just ask the machine to guess what word should come next. Now, I want you to think about the prediction calculator as this machine, tons of dials that just relate to some unknown settings. And what we're going to do, we're going to put a phrase in like the sky is, and the machine is going to guess. It's a bad guess at the start because it just starts off random. But it will tweak those dials through trial and error, and it will try and find the right settings to predict the sky is blue. If we know the answer, we can train it like this, but we can also just feed back on the output, and the machine will learn the right settings by tweaking those dials, and it will learn our preferences. We can now just train on more data. Let's say, for example, the whole of the internet. And although it will make some mistakes, and it will make some stupid mistakes at times, it will be, on average, correct over all of those examples most of the time in predicting what should come next. This is really powerful because you can predict the next words a helpful assistant might say, or even the next words in a complex plan. However, the power really comes because language is magical. The written word is a proxy for a thought process. You think and then you write. So it's almost like these machines have been trained to predict the next step in a thought process. Although there is no thought process, it's just trained on the proxy. They are streams of unconsciousness, blathering out word after word with not a conscious thought in sight.